tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to make a platformer with only Pens extension. Let's get started. Okay, we'll need two backdrops or one if you want. Here I have like a thumbnail and here the backdrop of the game. We'll make a new sprite. Now let's name it Pen Platformer. Okay, save the project. Now convert to bitmap and fill it with black. Okay, for now hide it, the sprite, and save the project. Okay, now guys, let's get coding. When green flag clicked, now we're going to make a new custom block called set. No, sorry. Startup slash swag. Okay. Sorry guys, and now put it with ground without screen refresh. Okay, now put the block here. Put the block. Forever. Go to X and Y. 0 and 0. And now we're going to click in the extensions and let's click in the pen extension. Okay, now we have it. Let's put erase all. Now guys, let's make a new custom block called draw lines. Run without screen refresh. Well guys, it's my dog, sorry. Okay, draw lines, another custom block called draw text. Okay, run without screen refresh. And player plus movement. Run without screen refresh. Okay, now let's put the 3 blocks here. Let's make a little of space, and now we're done with the green flag clicked. And one R key pressed, R is here. When R key pressed and the box start up or swag. Okay. Now And now we're going to create a lot of lists. And it doesn't matter if we put it with for all spreads or for this spread only because this is the only spread of the game. Delete them a variable, and now make the lists. One called line X, okay, line Y, line X2, line Y2, size, color, and characters, okay, text, text X, okay, text Y, and text size, okay, and to add lists that are text color, and finally text pen, wait, text pen size. And that are all the lists for this spread. Okay, now now we're going to put how many lists are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, duplicate. I have 4. Duplicate. We have 8. And duplicate. I think that we have 13 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Okay. Add all, 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 all in all the lists. Now, first put line X, line Y, line X2, line Y2, size, then color, characters, text, text X, text Y, text size, text color, and text and size. Okay, now make a new custom block called list. Now it'll screen refresh. Okay, now put the block here. List. And let's make it variable, and it doesn't matter if it's for spreads or it's for the spread only, but I like to put it for the spread only. So, characters is the new variable. And now, set characters. Okay, let's put all the letters first. A, B, C, D, E, O. Wait. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Okay, now the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now a point. No, wait. That line. Okay. Now this line and this one. Okay. If you want more time, here you have it. I will give you 10 seconds. Are you ready? Well, let's go. Okay, set a scroll X. Okay, that's the new variable. And set scroll X to 0. Now scroll Y. Let's set it to -50. Now make xb yb x and y. We only have 32 blocks yet. Okay. I think that there will be 9 parts or more. No, nine, no, 5 or 6. Okay. Set all of these variables to 0, and the other ones will leave it like that. Okay, so xb to 0, yb to 0, x to 0, and y to 0. Okay, go to the pen extension and erase all, hide, wait a bit guys. So hide, okay, set ghost effect to 0, and in the pen extension put pen up. Pen up. Okay, guys, we'll leave it here because, okay, 20 minutes. We have 40 blocks, but it's very big, the game. And we make the lists and the variables, and we make more blocks. And now we're going to use the pen extension. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So, bye bye.